You baby, kick it to the left now. If you wanna eat it, no pressure. I only do range, no Tesla. Ball made, drippin' umbrella. I'm tryna love you like a gangster. Baby, would you answer? I give you love, make.
So I'm starting my voiceover and I'm going over to the app Eraser. You get your pictures ready and then you start erasing. You can actually zoom in to see like what you're erasing, and also you can reduce and increase the size of the eraser so that way it's easier for you, whichever one is best for you. So after I'm done erasing my pictures, I make it transparent and save it on my phone. And then the next app I'm going to be using is Bazaart. I'm using this app because if you want to get charged, you can either get charged or not get charged, but the watermark has to be there if I'm not going to be charged. So now I'm using this thumbnail that's this picture that someone made for me. I'm actually going to leave her name in the description box because she does illustration, so she did this illustration for me. So I put it on the Bazaart app and then I use the thumbnail size. It automatically gives you the thumbnail size. So that was what I used. And over here, I'm just inserting the pictures as well for my thumbnail just to make pictures so I can create them into videos. So over here, I'm typing and I changed my font letter. So yeah, that's basically it. And yeah. And also the way that I got this iPhone stuff is just when you type in PNG, iPhone PNG or Instagram PNG, that's how I got all these apps like this. So, yep. The next app I'm using is my iMovie. So I'm basically going back to those pictures that I saved on my phone and I'm trying to make them videos. So I pick out all the pictures, insert them, create movie, and that's basically it. Then we have another app that I'm gonna be using. So over here, I'm just trying to disable the burns so that way my videos stay at a particular place so they don't move basically. And then over here, I'm trying to save my video. And yeah. The next app I'm going to be using is called Videoleap. So you scroll down to where you see glitch. And then the next place I'm going to do is the first one. And also I'm supposed to, so basically you just try your best to decrease the intensity and then increase the vibration. So that way, it looks good. Because if you increase the intensities, that way it's not going to look good. It's going to be like, you're not even going to see the video very well. So yeah. And that's basically it. And just save it to my phone, and that's the easiest. That's it.